Zalvi with House of Color. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these voluminous curls. Lately, I've been doing my hair this way because I just feel like it's so voluptuous and so va-va-voom. If you guys want to learn how to get these curls, then keep on watching. So to start, I have freshly washed hair and I am just going to brush it out so it's nice and neat, and then I'm going to start curling it. What I'm going to use is my Numi one. I think this is like a 1 inch or a 1.5. I have to double check and let you guys know. I always start on my left side. I take this little piece right here and I take about this much of hair and I curl it away from my face. I always start it at the base and I wrap and I wrap and I wrap. And then I always leave a little bit behind like that. And you hold for about 5, maybe 10 seconds. And then let go. See that? So after I do that piece, I pick another piece from the back like so. And I do the same thing.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night.
So I've got all my hair curled. I always leave the front section just as is because I want to do that at the end. And then I go ahead and do the other side with the exact same thing. Curl it away from the face.
And now that you're gone.
And when you twirl your hair around the one like so, you want to hold the one straight up and down like this. So when you release the hair, your curls fall downwards like that.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long.
Now that I've got both sides of my hair curled, it's time to do the front pieces. These two pieces are so important because it's what frames your face and gives you that really nice overall look. I like to take the front piece like that. I go in right here, not too close to the root, just right there. And then I twist it. And then I take the curling wand and I go back and forth like that. And then I hold it, and then I let go. The reason for doing that is because if you curl your hair way too close to the root in the front pieces, your curl will start from here and it'll just look really funny instead of having that swept bang look. For some reason, this side of my hair is always problematic. So I always have a little bit more trouble curling this side than this side. Hold the wand like this. Wrap it and then twist it back and forth and then let go. Let your hair relax for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you want to brush it out. So it's been about 15 minutes and I've let my curls cool down. Now, if you like more of a curly effect, then just run your fingers through them. But what I really love are the waves. So I am going to take my paddle brush. This is my all-time favorite brush. It's from Aveda. And what you just do is just brush through the curls like this. This is my favorite part. After you brush through it, you just want to fluff up your hair. And that for my final touch, what I like to do is just use a little flexible hairspray. This is from the Chi Luxury line with the black seed oil. And I just give my hair a little spray. And that's it. We are done. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned how to curl your hair like this. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!